Welcome to BitNasdaq, your trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Today, we'll guide you through the quick and easy Advanced KYC verification process. Visit our website and click on the Advanced KYC section present in the Identity Verification section in the User Center. Fill in the required information. First, select your country from the drop-down menu. Choose the document type you want to submit for verification. Enter your residential address and postal zip code. Capture a clear picture of the selected document type. Great! Now, you have completed the initial steps of our Advanced KYC process. BitNasdaq will verify the information you provided within 24 hours to complete the verification process. Once your documents are successfully verified, you will receive a confirmation email from BitNasdaq. Congratulations! Your Advanced KYC is now complete, and you can enjoy the full benefits of trading on BitNasdaq. Thank you for choosing BitNasdaq, your gateway to the world of cryptocurrencies.